So good evening, here is our plan, or actually a tentative plan for this autonomous rice cooking machine or rice cooker. It's an upgrade of the rice cooker, and when we place it as a autonomous one, wherein from the start of the process wherein you wash rice until up to steamer is included. So it is a big box. Then meron siyang door dito sa taas. As you can see, meron siyang lock dyan. So pwede mong buksan yung lock para makita yung laman sa loob. So basically, ang composition niya is something like this. It's a big box. Tapos meron kang sliding door dito, wherein pag hinila mo yan, lalabas sasama yung rice cooker mismo. And may sliding door din dito, in which pag hinila mo yan, lalabas yung steamer at saka yung lid. Okay. So basically, what you do is, ang starting point niya is parang ganito. It's closed tong sliding drawer. By the way, may lock din sa sliding drawer, ha. I mean, pwede mo siyang isusi. Susi siya. Tapos dito sa may external side ng ng box, meron pang isang expansion dito, kumbaga. Dito nakalagay lahat ng circuits, yung relays, yung wiring, yung Arduino MCU, then yung GSM. Then it is 48 inches, so it's a box actually. Tapos yung taas niya is like 48 inches din. So basically it's a cube. Okay. So merong butas diyan for fan kasi pag naluluto yung rice, nag-emit siya ng heat. So kailangan ma-exhaust fan para lumabas yung heat papunta sa kabilang side. Or we can place the exhaust fan here. Okay, anyway, possible naman. So to make this system work, kailangan mong meron ng dalawang 6 degrees of freedom. Okay. Dalawang 6 DOF robot arm. So it looks like this. Okay, so parang ganito siya. So this will be used in a precision type of engineering para magkuha, pick and place, no? Tapos mag-operate ng ating rice cooker. Kasi as we all know, kapag let's say this is GSM controlled, let's say nag-text ka ng ganitong klaseng command, let's say cook, okay, /4. So that means 4 cups. So pag sinabi niyang cook 4, ang first yung gagawin ng robot arm is kukunin yung lalagyan ng rice dito, tapos ilalagay dun sa ibaba ng rice container. So ang rice container is something like this. Meron siyang malaking part dito, tapos paliit siya ng paliit hanggang sa kanyang servo door. Servo can open and close that door. So pag nilagay ng robot arm dito yung container ng rice, mag-open yung servo, mahulog yung rice. So depende sa kung yung number na ilagay doon, kung gaano katagal naka-open yung servo bago siya mag-close ulit. So basically parang mini-measure niya kung ilan yung rice na mahulog. Okay. So this is by synchronous to siya, by time. So malalaman ito ng system ng by time. So this is by experiment kung ilan, let's say ang 4 cups. Let's say, after experimenting, nalaman natin na ang 4 cups requires mga 10 seconds na naka-open tapos close. So, this is by experiment all in all. So, pag nahulog yung rice, mag-close yun ulit. After nun, ng motion na yun, gagalaw ulit ang robot arm. Hilain niya ito papunta dito sa may water inlet. Water inlet is actually a gripo na controlled by a DC, 12 volts DC water pump. So, connected yan siya sa labas mismo. I mean, pwede sa gripo mismo or anything like that. And then, pag nakalagay na dito, after na ilagay dyan yung lalagyan, mahulog na yung tubig. Okay? So, yung amount ng water na mahulog is also dependent on the code na next mo. Siyempre, kung mas marami yung nilagay mong cups, dapat mas maraming tubig mahulog. Next is, kailangan hugasan yung, dito na yung yung lalagyan ng rice. Kailangan hugasan yung rice sa loob. So, we'll be using the robot arm, tapos ipapaturn siya doon. So, basically, ang robot arm can turn, no? So, ikot-ikutin yung rice hanggang sa matanggal yung chemicals. And then, after that, ititip niya yung, kasi mayroong ditong part, may butas yan dyan. So, pag nandito na yung, yung hawakan niya yung end tip ng, ng lalagyan, tapos, ititip niya dito, kumbaga, out of balance yung paganyan. Para mahulog dito lahat ng tubig. Not lahat, no? Most of the water mahulog dito sa hole. By the way, ang container is meron pa rin siyang parang expansion sa baba. So mahulog dyan yung tubig lahat. Then, babalik ulit doon, mahulog ulit yung tubig, ikutin ulit the second part ng second round. Tapos ihulog ulit yung tubig dito sa hole. Okay. So after that, okay, lalagyan ulit ng tubig. Ito na yung final one. Okay. So yung dami ng tubig, there, alam natin na depende rin yan sa number ng nakalagay dito. Okay. I mean yung number ng command nakalagay sa command. So kung mas mataas, mas matagal yung naka-on yung tubig. Let's say kapag 4 cups, ma-on siya for about 6 seconds. Then by experiment, napansin natin na sakto na yung 6 seconds. So dapat malaman natin yung ratio, kumbaga ratio. Okay. So after that, kung may laman na siya, ready to cook na siya, basically we'll be using dalawang ganito dapat. This is 6 degrees of freedom. Okay, so pwede siyang mag-turn this way, pwede siyang mag-turn that way. Okay, using this servo. Pwede siyang mag-turn yung kanang robot in effector niya, pwedeng gumanyan. Itong side na to. Then pwede siyang mag-turn by this servo. Okay, kung makita niyo, pwede niyang i-turn ganyan. Tapos ito is para sa end part ng pressing. Okay. So kailangan mo ng dalawa nun kasi once nalagyan siya ng tubig at rice, technically yung lalagyan na yun will become heavy. So kailangan dalawang side siya, kunin ng robot arm, tapos ilalagay ulit dito. Okay. And then after that, pag nandyan na siya, kukunin yung lid, yung takip. By the way, dito nakalagay yung takip. Basically, nung first part, ang ginawa niya is kinuha yung takip, tapos ilalagay pala yung dito dapat. Okay. So, alam ng robot saan siya kukunin yung takip. This is programmed. Okay. Kunin ng robot arm dito yung takip, tapos ilalagay ulit doon. Okay. Tapos after that, para makook yun, di ba mayroong kailangang i-switch dito. So, the robot arm will be the one to press that switch down. Parang ilalagay siya sa cook. Okay. So, after that, it will wait. Okay, mag-aantay siya hanggang sa maluto. So, ang technical natin is lalagyan natin siya dapat ng sensor dito. Magnetic reed switch ang tawag sa sensor. Para malaman na kapag, di ba, pag nakaakyat, nakababa na yun, pagluto na siya, naka-warm na siya, dapat aakyat yung parang switch ng rice cooker. So, pag na-detect yan ng magnetic reed, ang gagawin nito is kukunin yung takip, babalik ulit dito yung lid, tapos kukunin ng robot arm yung steamer. Kung sakaling nung nagpaluto ka is nilagyan mo dito ng okra or anything na gusto mong steam, kunin niya yung steamer, ilalagay niya doon. Tapos kukunin yung takip, tapos ilalagay ulit doon. Okay. So that is naka-warm na siya kumbaga. By the way, yung mag-start yung rice cooker mag-operate, after nang malagyan ng takip, by the way, meron pala yung dapat na operation dito na ito-turn on niya ng rice cooker via relay. Okay, that's why meron tayong relay doon. So basically, yung starting point is ganyan. Okay. So, pagluto na yun, pwede mong hilain itong door. Okay. At saka, maaamoy mo man dito na lumalabas yung dyan sa pan. Pwede mong hilain yung door, kunin yung rice cooker mismo. Okay. Kunin yung luto na. Tapos, syempre, yung maghuhugas nun is yung tao na mismo. Hindi na kaya ng robot na to na hugasan pati yung pinaglutuan. So, after that, after ng operation, after siguro kumain, after hugasan, ibabalik mo dito yung lalagyan ng rice cooker tsaka yung takip niya, tapos isasara yan. Okay. Nilagay mo na rin doon pati yung kanyang steamer, no? Sabay-sabay sila dyan. Tapos sasara mo yan. So, sa next operation, ganun ulit yung gagawin niya. Kukunin niya yung takip, lalagay dito. Kukunin niya yung steamer, lalagay dyan. Tapos, kukunin niya yung lalagyan, tapos ilalagay doon para malagyan ulit ng rice. If ever, nag-set ka ulit ng isa pang command. Remember, these are sliding doors. Merong mga wheels dito para madali siyang hilain. Parang sa mga cabinet. The same thing here. Okay. Ito, hilain mo siya pag gusto mong lagyan ng steamed or anything na. Okay. Yung ano. So, this is all tentative plan. The use of robot arm is still in question kung kaya niya bang dalhin yung isang mabigat na rice cooker na may laman yung lalagyan. Okay. And this is quite a sophisticated type of machine because this is using electromechanical parts, and it is quite highly intellectual na siya, kumbaga highly intelligent na yung machine. So it's still tentative, but I think we can make this work, but for about 3 months of continuous operation na continuous experiments, pwede namin siyang gawin with continuous work on it. So it's actually a cube and still tentative, so baka may mag-change pa dito. So first is kailangan ng dalawang robot arm dahil dun sa last na pagbuhat. So we'll still trying na baka kaya ng isa pang robot arm. Let's say isa lang yung robot arm, paano niya kaya dadalhin yun. So we'll be trying to find out kung paano yun. As long as we came to hand of this type of servo. So this servo is metal gear, so it can carry up to 10 kilograms daw na strain. So means pwede siyang mag-tip, pwede siyang magbuhat, pwede niyang itulak-tulak yung mga lead, pwede niyang buhatin yun. But this is, remember, this is machines. So kailangan precise yung kanyang program kasi once nagkamali siya ng pag-control, nagkamali yung servo sa pag-point, hindi niya makuha yung takip. So basically mag-work yung system mo nang walang takip. So kailangan malagyan siya kailangan makuha niya siya correctly. Yung angle, yung motion, yung time, yung speed ng rotation ng servo must all be sophisticatedly correct. Kasi kung hindi, it will not work correctly. So thank you for watching.